Hi, I'm Jo, and this is my Day 2 Booktube-a-Thon update. Late. It was just a crazy day. And I'm filming in my car while my son is in the library. I'm going to be going in there in a few minutes. For Day 2, I finished reading David Eddings' Pawn of Prophecy. This is the book my husband chose for me, so this fulfills the book someone else chose for you reading challenge. It's a fantasy book, and I generally do not like sci-fi fantasy type things, but I think I need to look into more what that really means, because this was fantasy and I really enjoyed it. Like, I want to read the second one. I think that he said there are like 5 books in this series, and I want to read the next one. I was very interested. I am extremely shocked. This Booktube-a-Thon is making me read things that I never would have read otherwise, and I love it. I'm just expanding my horizons, and it is amazing. I also tried to read my son's manga book that he borrowed from the library, Samurai Champloo. This was supposed to fulfill my genre that I've read the least of this year. I have never read a manga book. I tried really hard, but I just could not. Oh my goodness, it just does not make sense. I kept reading the wrong way. It's 6 p.m. on Wednesday, July 16th. I did not know that was going to happen. I just could not read this book. It was lots of kapows, and people were fighting, and I don't know why people were fighting, really. Something about wanting dumplings. I have no idea. I gave up around page 42 when I realized that there was still like 170 pages to go. So I will be looking for a different book. Although the Pawn of Prophecy also fulfills the genre that I've read the least of. Now for the video challenge. Well, I didn't plan this very well. I'm in my car. It's a rental car, so I can't even dig around for my kids' junk. But I have this book with me. He's wearing glasses, and I'm wearing glasses. He's wearing a sweater, and I have a sweater. There's red letters, and red letters. So that worked out well. 3 things off of, well, I got them all off of one cover. I am multitasking. I am just keeping expectations low. It's a busy parking lot. And I feel funny out here talking to myself. I also started reading Alice's Adventures in Wonderland. I don't know how many pages in I am because I'm reading it on my Kindle. So I will have another video update. I might be able to do it later tonight for Day 3, or it might be tomorrow. I don't know. I like to keep everyone guessing. So comment below if you are participating in the Booktube-a-Thon so I can check out your videos. I am really excited to see what everyone's doing and all of the things that they're coming up with. There are some very creative people. And the book towers yesterday, that was just amazing. I loved it. I was disappointed I could not participate. Maybe someday I'll make my own book tower just for fun. I will see you later. Bye.